exercise 2.4 fifth sum. The first given difference of the roots is equal to product of roots. The first given difference of roots is equal to product of roots. Then we need to prove a equal to 2. The given equation 2x square minus a plus 1 into x plus a minus 1 equal to 0. In this given equation I can take small a. So the general form of quadratic equation I can't able to write in small ax square small bx plus small c equals 0. I need to write caps only. So the general form is nothing but caps ax square plus caps bx plus caps cx is equal to 0. What is caps a? Caps a is equal to 2. Caps b is equal to minus of a plus 1. Minus of a plus 1. And cap c is equal to a minus 1. So I am going to choose this equation roots. The equation of this root is nothing but alpha and beta. Let alpha and beta be the roots. Let alpha and beta be the roots. Therefore, if alpha and beta be the roots for the given, what is the given here? Given difference of the roots. Difference of the root is nothing but alpha minus beta is equal to product of a root is equal to alpha beta. So keep it as equation 1. Difference of a root is nothing but alpha minus beta equal to product of root is alpha beta. Keep it as equation 1. For this equation I am going to find the sum of a root. Sum of a root is nothing but alpha plus beta is equal to minus of caps b by a is equal to minus. What is the b given here? Minus of a plus 1. So this minus will become plus a plus 1 by 2. A plus 1 by 2. After writing a plus 1 by 2, next I need to move towards product of the sum. Is alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to caps c by a. The caps c is equal to a minus 1. A is 2. So how I can write alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to a plus 1 by 2. Keep it as equation 3. Next alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to a minus 1 by 2. Since we know alpha beta is equal to alpha minus beta, in place of alpha beta I am going to substitute alpha minus beta a minus 1 by 2. Keep it as this is keep it as equation 2. This one keep it as equation 3. This one you keep it as equation 3. So this is alpha plus beta, a plus 1 by 2 as equation 2, alpha minus beta, a minus 1 by 2 as equation 3. So I am going to solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. What is second equation? Alpha plus beta is equal to a plus 1 by 2. Alpha minus beta is equal to a minus 1 by 2. Plus beta minus beta gets cancelled. Alpha plus alpha is equal to 2 alpha. Add both these values. A plus 1 by 2 plus a minus 1 by 2. 2 alpha is equal to. Since denominator is same, so I can put 2. A plus 1 plus a minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 2 alpha is equal to a plus a. 2a by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 2 alpha is equal to a. Let 2 come towards the denominator of right hand side. Alpha is equal to a by 2. I have got the value of alpha equal to a by 2. Next, in order to get beta value, I am going to apply alpha equal to a by 2 in equation 2. Therefore, apply alpha is equal to a by 2 in equation 2. What is equation 2? Alpha plus beta is equal to a plus 1 by 2. What is alpha value? A by 2. A by 2 plus beta is equal to a plus 1 by 2. Let a by 2 move towards right hand side, become minus a by 2. Beta equal to a plus 1 by 2 minus a by 2. Since denominator is common for both the terms, I can put a same denominator. Beta is equal to whole divided by 2 a plus 1 minus a plus a minus a gets cancelled. Beta is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, I have got a value alpha, I have got a value beta, alpha and beta I have got. Since I need to prove a equal to a by 2, I am going to use equation 1. What is equation 1? I am taking equation 1. What is equation 1? See here, equation 1 is nothing but alpha minus beta is equal to alpha beta. What is alpha minus beta? Alpha minus beta. What is alpha here? A by 2. Alpha is a by 2. What is beta here? Minus 1 by 2. I need to multiply. Alpha is a by 2 into beta is 1 by 2. Since denominator is common, I can put 2 alone. A minus 1 is equal to a into 1 is a. 2 2s are 4. This 2, this 4 gets cancelled 2 times. A minus 1 is equal to a by 2. Let this a by 2 come towards the left hand side, become minus a by 2. Minus 1 from this side becomes plus 1. So a minus a by 2 is equal to 1. A minus a by 2 is nothing but a by 2 is equal to 1. Let 2 move this side. A is equal to this only we need to prove. Hence, we have proved a is equal to 2. Thank you.